control. You're in the high spin cycle, nowhere to go. The washer needs attention, you need an explanation. A washer education, washer education. Go to NeptuneBearing.com. Need an explanation. Go to NeptuneBearing.com. Washer education. Welcome, Neptune owners. Your washer needs attention. You need an explanation. A washer education. Why pay more? Why pay someone else? Realize your potential and fix it yourself. The noise is getting louder. She's gonna blow. NeptuneBearing, NeptuneBearing. Hear it in the shower. Here we go. Go to NeptuneBearing.com. It's a rockin' and a knockin' like a runaway freight train. NeptuneBearing, NeptuneBearing. Go to NeptuneBearing.com. Go to NeptuneBearing.com. Realize your potential. Lower the cost of your repair by proactively replacing your Neptune bearing. Don't forget that we rent the Neptune bearing tool, which includes the use of a DVD that shows you how to disassemble your Neptune, replace your bearings, and install the new seal kit for a quicker washer education. Point your browser to www.neptunebearing.com. Again, that's NeptuneBearing.com.